Hey everyone, this is Diwakar. Welcome back to my channel. A few years ago, I feel stuck wondering how to learn AI without spending a single rupee. In this generation, AI skills open doors everywhere, like internships, freelance gigs, and top paying jobs also. So, I'm going to tell you 5 completely free courses that make AI easy to begin. Let me show you which one to pick and why. Let's go. At the end of this video, you will get to know which free courses matches your level and how long it takes and what you actually learn. Are you ready? Let's. The first course, AI for Everyone by Andrew Ng from Coursera. When I first heard AI, I thought I need to code for years. Then I tried this course. It is like no coding needed. It explains AI in plain English. Real examples from healthcare, finance, and more. It takes 4 weeks to 3 hours per week. It fits any schedule. If you are curious about AI, start from here. You will understand what AI can do and can't do. So you won't chase pointless tutorials later. Here's the second one, Introduction to Generative AI from Google Code. If you want hands-on fun creating images and texting with AI, like prompt engineering for chart style models, live demos in Google AI Studio, complete in 1 hour and get certificate. Perfect if you like learning by doing. Here's the third one, Elements of AI by University of Helsinki. Then, if you need in-depth knowledge in AI, like why AI works, understanding how the model will work. Here you will get to know self-paced with quizzes to reinforce knowledge and interactive exercise like making abstract ideas stick and community forum. If you have any questions and if you want learning, you can learn from each other. Great for those who learn best by experimenting and discussing. The fourth one, CS50 Introduction to AI by Harvard. If you love building projects, so you can turn Harvard CS50 AI. Here you will learn building real apps like face recognition, searching bots, and simple games, and clearing Python code. They walk you through every line and every model, and you will get learn from YouTube also. Dive in if you are ready to write code and see results immediately. Fifth one, this is my favorite, practical deep learning. If you want to master in deep learning, here you will get to know coding first, no theory overloaded, and state of the art libraries like PyTorch. And there is an active community. You can, if you have any queries, you'll understand with each and everyone. So this one for you. If you crave real projects and if you are not afraid for a challenge. These are the 5 free courses that I want to tell you. If you found this video helpful, like the button and subscribe it. Comment your opinion which course you will start first. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.